You will get this type of tissue box for the desk here, inside which there is a spring. Whatever you take out through it, it comes out easily, so you can keep it comfortably on the desk. Their colors are very good. It comes out automatically on top, and in this way you will get truss scan with garbage bag, with which you can cover it very well from above by putting a garbage bag at the back. Your dustbin, so that when your garbage is collected, you can easily take this garbage from the top to dump it anywhere. You will get wall plug hooks of this type, and you can put your wires in it so that when you put the wires of mixer, grinder, etc., then they remain completely safe. You can put them on your wall and can use them comfortably. After this you will get face wash, sponge, makeup remover, put them in water. It spreads very well so that you can wash your face, then you can take it and remove makeup, and there are steel soap dispensers of this type. Keep switching it so that whatever liquid is there keeps coming out slowly, and now your utensils keep getting cleaned. You will get double grain storage containers. It has a pressing button, which you can put on your wall, and either you have filled grains or rice, sugar, etc. in it. It comes out very well, and you do not need to keep it in any box separately. You can keep it comfortably in it so that when you cook, or you need these things, you can find them in the kitchen on your wall itself. With this, the space ring of your kitchen remains absolutely good, and this is the sink over disc rack. It is made of aluminium in metal, which you can keep in the over of your sink. It is of large capacity, and it also covers your sink very well. Look at the folding step stools made of plastic. These are folding ones, which you have to unfold and wrap it very well, and you can take it anywhere and sit on it. Like when you are waiting for an auto or a bus, you can sit comfortably by unfolding them. It is very comfortable, and if you don't need to use it, you can fold it and keep it back in your bag or anywhere else. Apart from this, you can get divider clips for the pantry of the refrigerator like this. These are plastic clips, which you can use in the side door of your refrigerator to divide all the bottles, pockets or packs that are kept there, so that when you take out the stuff from the refrigerator, you get it immediately. You can put these clips in the middle. The stuff will be divided separately so that you can find it quickly.